Welcome everyone, and a warm welcome back to Tech Unbox Pro. Today's video is going to be extremely exciting because we are taking a deep dive into one of the most talked about smartphones right now, the Nokia King 5G. If you are searching for a powerful Nokia phone with next-level performance, premium design, and future-ready 5G technology, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch till the end because we are covering full specifications, performance, camera, battery, and overall value of the Nokia King 5G. Let's start with the design and build quality. The Nokia King 5G comes with a bold and premium design that clearly reflects Nokia's classic durability combined with modern flagship styling. The phone feels solid in hand with a refined finish and clean edges. Nokia has focused on both style and comfort, making this device suitable for daily heavy use. The back panel looks premium, while the camera module gives it a powerful flagship identity. Moving on to the display, the Nokia King 5G features a large, immersive display with high resolution and smooth refresh rate support. Whether you are watching YouTube videos, scrolling social media, or playing games, the screen delivers vibrant colors, sharp details, and excellent brightness. This makes the Nokia King 5G a great choice for content consumption and gaming lovers. The display experience feels smooth and responsive, especially when paired with its powerful hardware. Now let's talk about performance and processor, which is one of the biggest highlights of the Nokia King 5G. This smartphone is powered by a high-performance chipset designed to handle multitasking, gaming, and heavy apps with ease. Whether you are switching between apps, editing videos, or playing graphics-intensive games, the Nokia King 5G remains smooth and stable. Combined with ample RAM and fast internal storage, this phone delivers a lag-free experience. For users searching for a fast Nokia 5G smartphone, this device truly stands out. Next is the camera setup. The Nokia King 5G comes with a powerful camera system designed for photography lovers. The main camera captures sharp, detailed, and vibrant photos in daylight, while low-light performance is also impressive thanks to advanced image processing. Portrait shots have good edge detection and colors look natural. On the front, the selfie camera delivers clear and social media-ready photos, making it perfect for video calls and content creation. If you are searching for a Nokia phone with a strong camera, the King 5G will not disappoint. Let's move to battery and charging. The Nokia King 5G packs a massive battery that easily lasts a full day, even with heavy usage. Whether you are gaming, streaming, or using 5G internet, battery optimization is well handled. Fast charging support ensures you spend less time plugged in and more time using your phone. For users who want long battery life without compromise, this is a big advantage. Now, the most important feature, 5G connectivity. The Nokia King 5G is built for the future, offering fast and stable 5G network support. This means faster downloads, smoother streaming, and better online gaming performance. Along with 5G, the phone also supports all essential connectivity options, making it a complete modern smartphone. In terms of software experience, Nokia continues its clean and smooth Android approach. The user interface feels simple, fast, and clutter-free. Regular updates and security patches add extra value, making the Nokia King 5G reliable for long-term use. So the big question, is the Nokia King 5G worth buying? If you are looking for a powerful Nokia smartphone with 5G, premium design, strong performance, reliable camera, and long battery life, then the Nokia King 5G is definitely worth considering. It is a well-balanced phone made for users who want performance, durability, and future-proof technology in one package. That's it for today's detailed review of the Nokia King 5G. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro for more high-quality smartphone reviews, unboxings, and tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.